Hey guys, here I am at my brand new listing in South Arlington on 3001 Woodside Drive. First, just a little side note. Pardon my non-real estate attire today. You know what the reality of my life is? Some days I'm a baseball mom, sometimes a realtor, and some days I'm both. So I am out here having photos done and getting this house ready. I'm headed to another house to change some light bulbs and get some stuff swept up for a seller. So anyway, that's what my life is. And tonight I get to go watch some baseball, and I dress for one and not the other. Not that you care about that. What you care about is this house behind me is about the most adorable thing. I love this house. Look at the landscaping, y'all. Talk about curb appeal. Anyway, this is about a little less than 2,300 square foot house, 3-bed, 2-bath in South Arlington, right around the corner from Martin High School, Young Junior High. Great location, great house. Let's go check it out.